Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Ornella, for those of you that don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a tutorial on how I maintain this hair, how I like Okay guys, so I decided to do a voiceover because I feel like that's more easier, less time consuming. So this is what my hair looks like before. I will be inserting pictures of the products that I do use as well, and here they come. Personally, Cantu does work really well for me because it really does lock in the moisture and it really does define my curls. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just wetting my hair with some normal water, no added conditioner or anything, just getting it to a damp point where the conditioner will mix in well, the leave-in conditioner anyways. Using my hands, I'm just basically now locking in the moisture to make sure that it does mix well with the conditioner. I've now taken my LV oil L'Oreal and just massaged that into my scalp at the back, and sometimes I do the front as well. I have now taken the leave-in conditioner, flipped my head over, and I am making sure I focus on the ends because those are the driest part of my hair. I'm now adding in more leave-in conditioner, making sure I rake it up in there, get the tips. It's just a very simple, easy thing to do, but you just have to know how to deal with your type of hair, to be fair. Well, this really works for me anyways, especially scrunching. So now I'm doing a mini finger detangling, and I'm going in with my pink comb, which is so cute and adorable. Just combing through the ends, and I'm pretty rough with my hair, guys. I know I really need to chill out. So now I'm just going to go in with some more water, making sure I scrunch up my hair even more, thoroughly spreading the leave-in conditioner all over my hair to make sure every single strand really, well, not every single strand, but you know what I mean, guys. Just making sure I get it really in there because I want the hair to be perfect. I want the outcome to be perfect. So now this is one of my techniques that I do use, how I scrunch, because everybody has a different type of way. That's the way that works best with my hair, as I just demonstrated. And now I'm going with this Cantu bottle, which leaves my hair so shiny. I really love it. I mainly use it at the front of my hair, the tips and the back as well. So that's a method I tried to teach you guys. There is like the twist method. So guys, this is basically the final look, and this is just me having some fun dancing around because I look like a sweet one.
Bitch, weird.
And make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and
thanks for watching.